Question. He has a big question for the teacher. Say. She says hello to her neighbor. Tell. I will tell you a secret. Ask. Can I ask you something? Answer. He answers the question confidently. Complain. She complains about the cold food. Promise. He promises to help tomorrow. Greet. They greet each other with a hug. Thank. I thank my teacher after class. Apologize. He apologizes for breaking the vase. Chat. They chat happily on the bench. Grill. She grills meats on a hot pan. Roast. She roasts a chicken in the oven. Chop. He chops onions with a sharp knife. Slice. She slices bread with care. Mix. They mix ingredients in a big bowl. Stir. I stir soup slowly in the pot. Steam. She steams dumplings in a bamboo basket. Blend. He blends fruits to make a smoothie. Garnish. She garnishes the plate with herbs. Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.